try to rent it out and, you know, keep up with the pool and all that. It was just too much, so.
We are in Oregon and making our first stay at a typical Thousand Trails RV park. It's been Sun River, and we will end up staying at several. The other two being Crooked River, really nice little park, and the last in Oregon being Cascade Meadows, which is an RPI park. We begin by helping our oldest, Drew, and the grandkids get his home ready for sale. Now, we are by far not the ones doing the lion's share of the work. That would be the boys' other grandparents, Gina and Steve, who also live right here. Under their supervision, we lent a hand wherever we could, and when not cleaning and repairing, we shot stills and videos for the realtor. Kurt, Drew's brother, is here as well, helping. It is so great to have the whole clan together, helping family however we can. Today we're going to focus on some downtime with our grandkids, Wyatt and Will. We discovered a couple of places in Madras where one half of our extended family lives that make for an interesting stay. After one particularly long day of cleaning, etc., we thought maybe some RB sandwiches would hit the spot, so we all headed over and sat down for a quick meal at a fast food joint there in town at the Love's Truck Stop. We found out that the boys hadn't been to the Erickson Museum as of yet, so we offered them to join us on a tour, if they would tell us which aircraft was their favorite when we finished. I think there's a company that offers bungee jumping off that bridge on weekends. You know, this place displays a vintage aircraft collection which was started by Jack Erickson in 1983. The collection has over 20 rare aircraft, most of which are in flying condition, including a P-38 Lightning, a P-51 Mustang, a Ki-43 Hayabusa, an F-4U Corsair SBD Dauntless Grumman Duck, a B-17 Flying Fortress, and a PBY Catalina, and a whole lot more. You can see the excitement in their eyes and the skip in their step as we mingled between these beautiful birds of prey. Many from the Second World War, where my uncle flew in a B-17 over Europe, and my dad got close ground support from Pappy Boyington's F-4 Corsairs. The boys seemed fascinated, and both were eyeballing some miniature put-together models when we were on our way out. This is definitely not like your regular displays. This is all up, close, and personal. A PBY Catalina designed to be a patrol bomber. This is a DC-3, or C-47 on the military version, cargo transport. When I was living in Venezuela, this was the primary air transport by major airlines there. Late 60s Camaro. Had a friend in college, Carson Hicks, who had this, and he called his the Orange Lizard. Glass packs and some wide meets on the road. That was one cool car. are some darn big motors in here. The P-38 Lightning fighter was fast and nimble. It had one prop that turned clockwise and one counterclockwise, so it could turn equally fast either direction. The P-40 Warhawk of Flying Tiger's fame, fighting in Indochina. Oh look, a PT-17 Stearman, an aircraft initially used to train our Army Air Corps pilots. B-17 Flying Fortress. My uncle was a waist gunner in one of these in the 305th Bomb Group, part of the 401st Bomb Group, which was part of the 365th Bomb Squadron in Europe and awarded the Distinguished Flying Cross, DFC. After the war, the aircraft was returned to the USA, 7th of July, 1945, after flying 114 missions, and later sold for scrap. How sad. My uncle, Everett McKean, waist gunner, front row, third from the right, wearing a neck warmer. even an old fire engine. I think the boys are trying to get up the courage to ask if they could try this out. So Wyatt, what is your favorite aircraft in this museum?
The TVS.
Fantastic. The Avenger. Beautiful airplane. So Will, what is your favorite airplane?
Boeing B-17 bomber.
Fantastic. Did you know that your uncle flew one of these? He was a race gunner, and that he actually flew in a plane called the Wright's Wheel. Anybody remember pressed copper? Yeah, they both get a model airplane to build when they get back to Gina and Steve's. I'm pretty sure that the boys had a really good time, and I know we did for certain. It is great for them to connect with the past and see just what their great-grandparents did to help keep this country safe. Whose is what? Grab your aircraft, boys.
So yours? Yep.
Are you sure that's yours?
Okay. Yeah. Mine's a flying fortress.
And it has that girl on it.
Oh, I didn't even know that.
Some girl on it? What'd she look like, Wyatt?
I can't check.
Ah, okay. We're going to be here for a while longer working on the house, and when we're done, we'll head north and west again to visit Kurt and see his and Katie's new home and check out his new job. When we get up there, we'll have been almost to Canada. This country is amazing. The beauty just doesn't quit. We'd really like to see you all again next weekend. Same time, same channel. And if you have a moment, please hit that like button. Ring that notification bell, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel to help us grow. We really do need your support. And it's free. And as always, please, travel safe.